I was not planning on doing a video on 3D printers. It wasn't something I was interested in. And honestly, printers that I were looking at were $4 or $5 or $100 or up. So I just never gave it any thought until one of my boys decided that he really wanted to get into 3D printing. And so he did some research, and I did some research with him, and he found one that was actually in his price range. Took a couple days to pick a proper printer for him and his budget. And what he came up with was this printer from elegoo. Elegoo? I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It's the elegoo Neptune 3 Pro is what he came up with. And I'm not going to go into pricing. What I'll do is I'll leave a couple links down below so that you can find the best pricing yourself. But what I will say is that he's 12 and he managed to buy this with his paper route money. So it's very affordable. You know, and then this thing shipped out fast. So we had it in a couple days. Now, when it got here, there's a little bit of assembly required, and I'm not going to go over the assembly. That's well documented and well covered on YouTube. Actually, they provide their own video on setting it up, and it's on YouTube, and I'll leave that link down below too so that you can familiarize yourself with the setup. But what I will say about setup is that we had this thing up and running within 10 minutes. Within 15 minutes, we were already printing our first model. So, you know, very quick learning curve. It's very simple to set up, very simple to get printing. And just take a look at some of these models that he's managed to print already. Now, you can go online and actually find thousands of free models that you can print. So you don't even need to learn 3D modeling right away. You could just go and download a whole bunch of models. And he's actually managed to turn a little profit. He's managing to sell some of these 3D models to classmates at school, family and friends. And I actually imagine within a few months he'll have this printer paid off. You know, this thing's been very exciting. It's got him out of his chair. He's very excited about this whole 3D printing adventure. In fact, this is probably the most exciting thing happening in our house right now is this 3D printer. Even I have plans for it. I got to pay him for it, but I have some plans for this thing myself. I just wanted to come on here real quick and just show this to you because I found it really quite affordable. I was actually surprised how affordable it was, and the quality so far has been really, really good. I'm actually surprised by how precise this printer actually is. So guys, if you're looking for an entry-level printer, you know, give this one a go. I've left links down below so that you can find the best price on it, and I've also left their setup tutorial link down below so that you can maybe familiarize yourself with it a little bit before you decide to buy one. But if you are looking for an entry-level printer, I'm both shocked by the price and the quality. This has been actually a really good printer. I'm really curious to see in the future what he comes up with using this printer. Guys, if this video was any help to you in any way, please consider leaving a like. And if you have any questions about this printer, do feel free to leave them down below. We'll answer any question that comes in. Until next time, guys. Yeah, I just wanted to show this to you. It's